Just a quick video on physics problem 6.60, not assigned any GR 150. Not going to ask this question, but I just wanted to show you the power of Matlab one last time. So I'm going through the physics problem. I'm using Professor R's nomenclature. We were given the first mass is 1.65, the second mass is 3.3, and the mu1 was 0.226 and mu2 is 0.113. You can see these are multiples of one another by a factor of 2, and the angle here is 30 degrees. And you're asked to find the tension in the rod, the magnitude of the common acceleration, and what happens if we switch the two boxes. In other words, the bigger box goes up top and the smaller box down the bottom. One of the most important things is to draw a free body diagram, which I do down here as for part of the plan. The assumptions, all the systems are linear, okay? And we're going to use F equals ma, Newton's second law, to make sure that we get this right, okay? The estimate is that T12, the tension, will be less than the weight of, actually I should probably put the weight of M1. Okay, it's going to have to be less than M1, and A12 will be less than gravity. And the last part, when I switch the boxes, the direction of the forces will change. So if it was in tension before, it'll be in compression and vice versa. The key to this problem right here is drawing this free body diagram where I have the tension between the two here, the force, okay, from the friction, the normal force balanced with this downward gravity force. For this particular problem, I did not solve this by hand. I did solve it by hand later, but I did not solve it by hand initially. I just wrote in what all the constants were and put in the two equations. And then I put these two equations in right here into the solve and asked it to solve for A12 and T12. This is why it's so powerful. And it does it for you. There's less likelihood of mistakes when you do this. And I'll run it again here. And you can see, and those are the answers that are given as in the book as well, okay, for this problem. So Matlab can do a lot of things for you when checking your work. So it's hopefully we'll all be back to Matlab sometime this semester.